Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2024 Boston Whaler. This is the 16 Super Sport. Great boat, guys. As you'll see, it's got the full gray hull color, has the black rub rail with the stainless insert. Taking a look at the inside of the boat, you'll see it's got twin 6-gallon fuel tanks, battery conveniently located here underneath your bench seat, 2 cup holders, nice stainless telescoping boarding ladder. This has the Mercury 90, plenty of power to push this boat with a 4-blade prop. Guys, taking a look at the helm here, you'll see it's got the stainless steering wheel and your RPM gauge along with your nav lights here on your instruments. Guys, great boat here at MarineMax in Greenville. For more info, please give us a call or stop by our showroom and take a look. Thank you for viewing this video. Have a great day.